To some tourism-related news now, not a bad reflection on Jamaica in any way, the view of cruise executives after the collision of a ship at the Ocho Rios Pier months ago. As you will hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, business has also not been badly impacted on the cruise ship operator's side since then.
Images of despair. A cruise ship colliding at the Ocho Rios cruise terminal in St. Anne amid rough seas. The vessel sustained damage and also destroyed sections of the pier. Since then, the authorities have been on what is expected to be a year-long mission to fix the pier and make it functional again. At the just concluded cruise conference hosted by Jamaica Vacations Limited, cruise line operators gave an update to TVJ News about the impact on business following the crash at the Ocho Rios Pier in February.
For Royal Caribbean Group, actually, the incident in Ocho Rios did not impact our company directly because we actually put a lot of our volume into Falmouth. So for our operations, it just hit a few of the charters that are upcoming, and we were able to redeploy them to the Reynolds Pier or over to Falmouth. But it was a very unfortunate incident. We do see those globally throughout the world, so it's not isolated to Jamaica or Ocho Rios. We've had incidents around the world for all the cruise lines, and it's just how do you rebuild, redeploy, and then bring people back.
That incident aside, the local cruise industry has been near perfect in the last few years, with a record 1.26 million arrivals in 2023 alone, nearly a 50% increase compared to 2022. In fact, cruise line operators are looking to partner with Jamaica in other ways.
We also have a partnership with the Caribbean Maritime University, where we signed a contract with them about recruiting from that university. And the beauty about that university is that it's definitely featuring talented Jamaicans, which I'm really proud to see that we're hiring.
But is a career in the cruise industry and the wider hospitality industry worth it? The latter in particular has been dogged by complaints of low pay and poor treatment. I put the issue to the bosses at Chukka Jamaica, one of the country's leading tour company.
People in this area, we're offering them training, an opportunity, and a job. We're doing our best to give the best salaries we can based on all components.
I do believe Chukka's employees are taken care of very well, especially in times of trouble, when it's not high season, maybe there's not a lot coming in. We still look after our employees. We make sure that they're taken care of. They are treated very well.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.